What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-109258-5, unable to connect to the server. So it's kinda network server error. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go. Simply just go to the settings here and then network, view PlayStation network services. Here we go. Login setting, must check the login. Your PSN account is logged in or not, and a user in account, you must check if sign in or not, and then go to the network. And here's the view PlayStation network services. You can test your own internet connection. Maybe sometime you're having a problem with your own internet connection. And here you check the server. Sometimes the server is down, so when you're working on the updates, that's why you get this error, this kind of connectivity error. So the server is working up and good. If the server is not working, you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. And then you just get back here and all servers are running and good. You must just set up a settings, set up a new connection. You set up your own connection. Here you just, if you're using Wi-Fi, you just tap the button and check the frequency, advanced settings, DNS settings. You check the DNS settings, MTU settings also. And which one is working good in your country, just put it back here and edit it. And I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN one, and you will get the better speed on it. So simply, that's how you can set the connectivity or a server error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.